Welcome to SimpleFX. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a deposit. There are 4 places where you can open the deposit window. The first, and easiest, is in the top right corner, the deposit button. The second is right next to it. When you click on your account, a drop-down menu will open, where you can click Manage Account. Inside, you'll find the deposit button. The third location is on the left-hand side at the top. We select the menu option and then Account and Deposits. The fourth location is at the bottom of the screen, the green Add Funds bar. This option disappears once you make your first deposit. To make deposits in crypto or fiat, we need to have an account that supports that currency. If we don't yet have a settlement account, we can create one right from this screen. Alternatively, we can do this in Manage Accounts. Once we select the currency we want to set up, we'll be prompted to choose a jurisdiction. We select the one that suits us, and that's it. We now have a new account. Once everything is set up, we can move on to making the deposit. If we want to deposit crypto, we select that option and click Deposit. A window will open showing the account details and the information we need to complete the transfer. If we want to deposit fiat currency, we select a payment method and click Deposit. In the window, we choose the account and enter the amount we want to deposit, then click Deposit. After clicking, we'll be redirected to the payment system we selected.